Okay, let's talk about your mixer po, Yamaha MG10XU, and hopefully this video would help you to navigate on this mixer at alam nyo po ano yung mga kailangan yung iset. Okay, left side, of course, inputs, right side, outputs. Combo jack po tayo dito, ibig sabihin pwede either XLR or PL or TRS, I mean. Ito po, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, puro ano lang yan, TRS lang pwede dyan. Kita nyo po dito, may pad. Okay, so yan po is to help us balance yung yung mga gaps po ng signal kasi not all signal are the same po ng ng power or yung signal level na pumapasok sa mixer. For example, ito pong microphone na ito, wired microphone, walang battery. Kaya when we plug this with an XLR to XLR cable towards the mixer ay kailangan po natin dagdagan ng gain kasi walang power ito, walang battery ito. But sa mga dikuryenteng instrument, for example, we have electric keyboards or electric drums, most likely those outputs, yung mga outputs po nila na ini-input natin sa mixer ay malakas na signal na po yan. So we'll probably need to press the pad for those instruments para mas mag-level tayo sa mga microphones na kailangan ng more gain. Okay, HPF, yan po ay nagbabawas tayo ng low frequency on certain inputs na kailangang bawasan ng frequency, low frequency, frequencies below 80 Hz. Kasi sa po microphone, always, all the time, we have to press high pass filter. We have to low cut sa microphone. Kung may bassista na, may bass guitar na, so also in guitars and keyboards, kailangan din natin mag high pass filter. Yeah, we don't want full range kasi lalo na sa mga microphones kasi we want to remove the rumbly sound, the pops, windy noises. Yan po, mga bass po kasi yan lumulusot. Okay, next po, gain. Okay, you see gain. At sa kabilang dulo naman po sa baba ay level. So, sa unang sound check nyo po ay yung level, pansin nyo po dyan 0 to 10 yan, sa ibang mixer that's dB. Pero pansin nyo po may marker dito sa may bandang 3 o'clock ng level. So, ideally, dyan nyo po ilagay agad yung inyong level. And then, kulang pa ng volume and you add gain. Okay, and then during sound check, dapat maset yun na po yung gain. Dapat po, during the service ay as much as possible, hindi nyo to pakialaman yung gain. Dito na po kayo dagdag bawas sa level during the service. Special occasions or special cases na lang sa gain na kailangan yung galawin during the service kung alam yung ginagawa nyo, you really need to add or lessen gain for that particular channel. Compression, since isa lang parameters nito, hindi ko na po to explain, medyo mahirap po to explain for now. Pero you can leave this at 12 o'clock just to add a little bit of dynamics on those channels. Next po, equalizer, high, mid, and low. Yan po yung treble, yung high, mid frequencies, and then low, yung bass frequencies. So, on a microphone, you would always want to remove low frequencies. Yan po yung mga rumbly sound, yung mga muddy na sound, you want to remove them. Kahit konti lang, pakinggan nyo rin po kung medyo kailangan yung bawasan or leave it at 12 o'clock. Sometimes I also want to add high on microphones just to add a little bit of presence. Mas malinaw yung S, yung consonants, and yung parang may hangin siya. Mas may hangin. Yung sa microphones po yan. Pero for example, sa guitar, kung medyo matining na yung guitar, probably you need to bawas ng konti sa sa guitar ng high. Next po, effects. So dito po sa right side yung kanyang mga effects, settings, and the amount of effects per channel. Panning is the positioning yung sa left or sa right when it comes to the output. This will also help you widen yung signal natin. So for instance, marami na pong singers, probably some of the singers are more on the left, some of the singers more on the right. If dalawa na yung guitar, pwede po yung isa more on the left, yung isa more on the right. Dito po sa 5, 6, 7, and 8 na channels ay talagang stereo yan. So kung left ka mag-plug, left lang talaga yung lalabas. Di katulad dito sa 9 and 10, may nakasulat po dyan left, mono. So pag dyan po kayo ng plug, kahit isa lang yung plug mo dyan, automatic po yung lalabas left and right. Pero sa 5, 6, 7, and 8, talagang left lang po talaga yung lalabas. Right lang po talaga yung lalabas. Okay. Ano pa ho? Of course, dito sa right side, you have stereo or main master volume. Yung lalabas po dito sa output na XLRs at pati na rin itong TRS na stereo out. Ito naman po monitor phones, ang master volume nito. Pansin ko po, monitor out ay left and right. Ibig sabihin kung ano yung lalabas sa stereo out, left and right, yan din yung lalabas sa monitor out. So medyo limited po tayo sa mixer na ito. Wala po pala siyang dedicated na knob for the send, auxiliary send. So wala po siyang auxiliary send. So doon po tayo mahirapan if we want to install IEM or wedge monitor. Hindi po natin siya ma-separate ng mix sa mixer na ito. So kaya medyo I think recommend ko po na yung ano na lang talaga, yung Flow 8 po yung gamitin natin eventually, hindi po agad-agaran. Yun po yung pwede natin gamitin na main mixer kasi sa Flow 8 may pwedeng separate mix siya, may dalawang auxiliary sends na pwedeng separate mix. So main left and right yung speakers natin, and then pwede yung sa auxiliary 1 papunta sa IEM, yung auxiliary 2 papunta sa wedge. Dito po wala siyang auxiliaries sends pala. Ito po, pansin nyo sa 9 and 10, pwede rin tayo, you can change yung purpose nito from having the signal from the 9 and 10. Yung line kasi ito 9 and 10 to USB. So yung naka-plug po na USB dito sa likod, hindi lang po yan output from mixer to laptop. Pwede rin po yan from laptop to mixer. So when you press this, yun po, you will sacrifice these channels at ito pong channel na to ay mapupunta sa USB in. You can play music from the laptop or even OBS, and pwede pong mapasok dito yung sound nun. Okay, isa pa ho, napansin ko dito may phantom tayo. Please turn this off if you're not using it and if not needed. So nakasira ho to ng ng components kung na-on po to at hindi naman kailangan. So these are for condenser microphones, mga microphones na kailangan ng kuryente, for choir microphones, mga ganong instrument microphones na condenser, o kaya yung mga active na DI boxes. But if you're not using one of those, please turn this off. Yung Phantom 48 volts. Okay, yan lang po muna ngayon, and maybe next time I'll talk about the Flow 8 naman and how we're gonna set it up for our use case scenario. God bless po sa lahat, and shalom.